How to create your own presets in Lightroom. First of all, open the app and select a photo you want to edit. Apply your desired adjustment including light, color, effect, crop and other tools until your photo looks exactly how you want. Once your edits are complete, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Create Preset. Give your preset a name, choose a preset group or create a new one, and select which settings you want to include such as exposure, contrast, color adjustments or effect. After saving, your custom preset will appear in the preset section, allowing you to apply it to other photos with a single tap. This not only saves time but also ensures all your images maintain a cohesive look and style. Now you know how to create your own presets in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing and photo enhancement tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.